In this video, we'll be showing you how to remove an event from your home or default page. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin, Settings, and then on the Basic Details tab, scroll down to the Default Page field. Here you'll see the current event ID that is set as your home page. If you wish to revert to the standard default home page, then enter upcoming-events into this field and then click on the Update button. You can head to the home page to confirm your changes. Alternatively, you can change this to any other page of your site. Head to the page you would like to be your default page and note the parameter of the event that is showing in the address bar. In this example, Coles. Head back to the Basic Details tab in Settings and enter that into the default page field. Scroll down and click on the Update button. Head back to your home page to confirm the change. And that's it, you have now successfully removed an event from your home page. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.